In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to catapult your Weebly website to the top of Google. Embarking on the journey of increasing your website's visibility can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it can be a smooth and rewarding experience. Let's dive right in and explore how you can effectively use SE Cockpit to optimize your Weebly site for search engines. First, let's head over to SE Cockpit. This platform is a powerful tool for SEO, helping you to find the right keywords and analyze their potential impact on your site's visibility. Once you're there, sign up using your Google account. This step is straightforward and ensures that you'll be able to access all the features that SE Cockpit has to offer. Next, you'll want to fill out your full name and email address. It's important to make sure you enter accurate information, as this will be used for account communications and notifications. Once you've entered your details, click on Continue to proceed. Now you'll need to complete your billing information. This step is crucial if you're opting for a paid plan that offers more advanced features. Enter all the required info carefully to avoid any issues later on. After this, proceed with entering your payment details. It's important to double check that all information is correct before clicking Continue. Once you've done that, scroll down the page and click on Place Order. This finalizes your setup, allowing you to access SE Cockpit fully. If you're new to SE Cockpit, take some time to watch a brief tutorial video. This will give you the ropes and help you navigate the platform effectively. After familiarizing yourself with the platform, head back to the SE Cockpit dashboard. Click on the SE Cockpit tab located on the left side of the interface. This will bring you to the main area where you'll conduct keyword research. Begin by clicking on New Keyword Search. This is where you can enter the title or topic that's related to your Weebly website. With your title typed in, you'll see a list of suggestions and tag results. Pay close attention to these, as they provide insights into potential keywords that could enhance your content's SEO. Once you've reviewed the suggestions, click on Save and Close. This action secures your selected keywords for future reference and analysis. Now you'll see a variety of keywords that you might want to use in your Weebly content. Observe metrics such as monthly searches, which give you an idea of how often people are searching for those terms. It's also good to check the top results, which provide a snapshot of who your competition might be. Taking these steps will significantly improve the searchability of your Weebly site. Keyword optimization is a critical component of SEO, and with the detailed analysis provided by SE Cockpit, you'll be well equipped to catapult your website to the top of Google's search results. Happy optimizing!